how's everyone doing? I hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're all staying safe. I welcome you all to VR Friday. Because yes, today is VR Friday. And just before we begin the video, because there was so much demand for it last time we did this, the dude that does the Udemy courses on VR development has decided to give you guys a code yet again. And today is the last day for that code, so make sure to snag your opportunity, take it down in the description below. This is your chance to learn how to do VR game development for the Oculus Quest. So make sure to check that out down in the comment section below and use code TheMystical to bring that price down to only $10. So yeah, let's get into today's video. It's gonna be pretty damn interesting. I have a few things to tell you guys, and we're just gonna take a look at a few things. So today's most exciting part is going to be finding out how you guys can check your Oculus Quest 2 delivery date. Because yes, there is a way. It's a tiny bit complicated, but I'm gonna do my best to take you through it step by step, and hopefully that way you guys understand exactly what's up. So first things first, because everybody keeps asking me, no, Oculus didn't send us the Oculus Quest 2. It clearly doesn't like us enough, and I kind of DM'd them asking really nicely. I told them, look guys, you don't even need to send it to me, just tell me if I'm doing anything wrong. They haven't answered to that either, so we're not getting the Quest 2. I'm waiting with you guys, which is why I'm super excited to check out my delivery date as well. Hopefully it's not like a month after it gets released, but again, we'll see that. Second of all, VR Cover, one of our absolute favorite accessory companies for the Oculus Quest and all other VR headsets, has decided to send me over their brand new interface and foam replacement kit. And when they emailed me, I thought this was going to be for the Oculus Quest 1. I thought, hey, you know, we're gonna check this out as soon as it arrives. No, this says Oculus Quest 2. And you guys on the live stream yesterday, thank you all for coming. It means the world to me when you guys show up on these live streams. Actually got a sneak peek at this. So there you go. Join the live streams because you get sneak peeks at stuff that doesn't yet exist. I guess this is what it looks like. I mean, it has the nose flaps now, which is great. It fits really well to my face, which is why I'm hoping that the new Quest 2 will do that a lot better than the Quest 1. Even just this feels comfortable without the foam replacements. As you can see, the mountings for it look a little bit different. So again, once we get the Quest 2, I'm going to check this out for you guys. Okay, so let's get into the elephant in the room. How do you guys check your Oculus Quest 2 delivery date? Well, Spot over on my Discord told me exactly how. Actually, he sent over a Reddit link. Talking about Reddit, let me plug my Reddit real fast. You guys join the Reddit, post some spicy memes. I really enjoy them. They make my days in the mornings. Okay, let us jump straight into exactly how you can do this. So as you guys can see here, this is the Reddit post that he sent over to me. So we need to launch the Oculus website, sign into our account, and go into our orders. So going to our orders right there, and then clicking into our Oculus Quest 2, you guys can see that the order ID shows up there. Of course, my one's gonna be blurred because I don't want you guys stealing my order. Open developer tools, F12, perfect. Now click on network. Okay, we're in. Click on XHR, a little bit lower. There we go. Select the second graph QRL, Control R. Here we go. So as you guys can see, you needed to press Control R to get it to reload. So the second graph QRL right here. I'm gonna expand everything to, there we go, physical orders. And now select your Oculus Quest 2 order. For me, it ends in 73 because that's the order ID right there. Click on shop order items, then node, then 0. So shop order items right down here, and then on nodes, and then on 0. Okay, and now we have our estimated delivery date. Then we go into the unixtimestamp.com website so that we can decode it, because of course it is encoded 400, and now convert. There we go. So now I have my estimated delivery date. It is the 16th of the 10th at 3 p.m. So that is my estimated delivery date. That is, of course, because I am in Ireland, so I'm going to get mine a little bit later than every one of you, which is, I think people were saying in the United States they're going to get it on the 13th or the 14th. Of course, I'm getting it on the 16th, which is also why I really wanted Oculus to send it over earlier for review. But I guess now that that's not happening, at least I know exactly when it's going to be here, or at least exactly when it's supposed to be here. People are also saying that they have had their Oculus Quest 2 orders be pushed back, especially by Amazon, which is really, really concerning. You have been telling me this on the Discord, of course, because the Discord is where I chat with you guys, where I communicate with you guys, where you guys tell me what you're thinking, what you want to see, etc. And that is very worrying, because that makes me wonder, if Amazon is pushing orders back, does that also mean that Oculus is going to push orders back? Does this mean that this here is unfortunately inaccurate? Now, currently, I'm going to go with it. I'm going to say it's accurate, so that's what I'm going with, but you guys can tell me what you think down in the comment section below. Of course, there has to be a reason why Oculus didn't provide us with a delivery date, right? I heard that they're shipping on the 13th. I just want them to take my money already. I would love to talk a little bit about the HP Reverb G2. Because the HP Reverb G2 is something a lot of people have been asking me about, asking me if I'm going to get one, asking me what I think about it, and whether I think it's worth it over the Oculus Quest 2. So let me tell you what I think. Because I was reading, and the HP Reverb G2 is a $600 headset, which to me is just like, yeah, okay. The Oculus Quest 2 is a $300-$400 headset, so like a little bit of a price difference there. I mean, if you can afford this, I don't know. So that is a collaboration between Microsoft and Valve, and it seems pretty okay. Like I pretty damn enjoy it. But then they announced the HP Reverb G2 Omnicept Edition. And that is like HP's comparatively overwhelming response to the HTC Vive Pro's eye tracking. And I'm just there like, wait, this thing's gonna have face and eye tracking? And it looks so cool. Now, face and eye tracking is another level of immersion, especially if you're playing games like VR Chat, because let us remember, finger tracking, individual finger tracking, eye tracking, face tracking, it's all for expressions, telling people, hey, this is how I'm feeling, you know, if you're feeling sad, if you're feeling happy, things like that. And you know, if you want to show someone the finger, it's just an added bonus. But there is a but. How expensive is this thing? I couldn't find a price on this website that I'm looking at right now, but I can only imagine it is going to be an absolutely incredibly expensive headset. So I'm gonna say I'm sticking with my Quest 2. If you guys have the money, it seems like an insane headset. But I would say the Quest 2 is still my choice and what I prefer and what I'm going to stick with. What you guys go with, tell me down in the comment section below what you prefer. Of course, this one has the added bonus of no Facebook login, which a lot of you feel is a violation of privacy and trust, which I totally understand. I personally don't really think of it as that of a big deal anymore, but you guys do feel like it, and I totally understand you, and I'm with you. So you know, love to all, but yes. You guys have also been telling me on the Discord that you're not that big of fans about hand tracking, and you guys wanted to hear my opinion on it, so I'm gonna let you know. My opinion on hand tracking is, again, it's another level of expressing yourself in VR, which is very important if we are going to get immersed in VR. We're going to do social apps like Zuck wants us to. Hand and finger tracking in general is another step in that direction. Now, what people have been telling me is the new Oculus Quest 2's controllers can emulate every finger movement tracking, which I have no clue about because, again, I have watched no reviews, no unboxings, no nothing, so that I can go into this clean. So I still have seen nothing about the Oculus Quest 2, what it can do and what it does. I'm going into this completely clean. That's just the way it is. I promised you guys that I would do this, and that is the way I'm doing it. So I'm just going off information I have from you guys. And that is really, really cool. How well it works, I have yet to see, because again, I haven't seen. Hopefully you guys are right and it works really well, and that is exactly what's happening. But I am with you on the hand tracking. You guys said you prefer controllers to hand tracking, and I am completely with you on that end for the simple reason is that I like having something physical in my hands while I'm playing VR. I like to feel something there. I like to be able to, you know, move the joystick around to move around. With hands, it's on its own, that's a little bit weird. But if we had gloves.
Hey, Facebook, you think you could give us gloves? I heard you were working on those gloves, you know, like, can we please have them? I would really appreciate that, you know? Me and the boys, we'd really appreciate that, Facebook.
Gloves would be an absolute amazing way of immersion, and I don't know why no company has yet been doing this commercially. Like, where are the gloves, guys? The gloves are clearly the way to go. Like, why have the controllers when you can have haptic gloves? And you know, you can always have buttons inside the glove here if you really feel like it, you know, to move around and stuff and to click buttons. But where are the gloves? I need the gloves. Do gloves. I need VR gloves with haptic feedback and probably electricity, because you need to be able to feel pain in VR. That is my opinion on hand and finger tracking in VR. I hope that this satisfies your guys' question. And I think that's all we have for today's VR Friday video. The main part here was I really wanted to get around that message of how to check your delivery date. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. As you see, I have my beautiful food here. I want to eat this. It is a very lovely looking. My mom made it for me. I greatly appreciate that. I just walked downstairs and it was right there. I was very confused. This doesn't normally happen. But yes, thank you guys all so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, as I tell you in the Discord every day. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like. If you disliked it, I guess this button works too. But please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of this community, we're constantly growing. We're trying to get to 20k. So if you guys want to join that, join the Discord down in the description below, where you can ask questions, communicate, and just become part of the community in general. We have a new technician, Nova, whom is a god, by the way. So now we have 2 gods on the Discord. Yes. They can fix your every problem, maybe. I don't know. But they're amazing people. They can do so much more than I can. So, you know, just wanted to give a little welcome, you know, on a video. I feel like it's deserved. And if you guys want to join, we also have a Reddit down in the description below. You know, post some spicy memes. I really enjoy that. And yeah, you guys were telling me you really enjoyed the last version of VR Monday, where I moved around a bit. It was much better than me sitting around here. And I do want to do that again. I really do. I have actually ordered something that is going to help me with that. And there's your next clue. If you watch till the end, this is your next clue, because people on the Discord have been trying to figure out what I ordered. This is your next clue as to what I ordered. Some people have been asking me if it's a Tesla, and I can neither confirm nor deny this, but yes, this is your next clue as to what I have ordered. And I'm just constantly refreshing the DPD page, you know? I'm just constantly clicking refresh. I broke it yesterday. The DPD page just wouldn't load. But yes, it's going to be super exciting when I can finally record videos in different locations for you guys, because currently I'd have to walk to different locations, which just isn't a massively good thing, because tripods and stuff, just walking around with that, no thanks. But if you guys want to become part of the community, I post tech videos daily and VR videos on Mondays and Fridays. So if you guys want to be notified about future videos, make sure to smack that subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace. Nom. Nom. Nom nom.